the glitter dumpling. Please add. This is the glitter dumpling. Add glitter dumpling. Add. Okay, please add. Okay, I accept. Oh my god. The glitter dumpling. Okay, mag-trade dito ako para sa glitter dumpling. Trade ko to. Glitter dumpling. Oh, I accept. Okay, that's gonna be see the glitter dumpling. Oh my god. I see the glitter dumpling. It's so cool. I have the new glitter dumpling.
Pwede makipag-trade nito?
Ba, trade lang at
Trade me alto.
Please add. This is the glitter dumpling. Very weird. Add. Please add. Kasi glitter dumpling to rare to add. Add. Oh, I accept.
Add.
Oh, what? No na lang.
I accept.
Okay, I accept. Pwede makipag-trade na to. Rare to. Sa glitter dumpling.
Ay, bawal na eh.
Makipag-trade ka na. Makipag-trade. Sa glitter dumpling. Pahawahan ko lang po ha. Mag-stop. Okay.
This is add. This is glitter. Glitter. This is add.
Add?
This add. Add. This is accept.
I have the glitter dumpling. So, if I have the glitter dumpling, I'm so rich. But, hindi naman to rare! Scam! Oh, this is rare pala. So, comment kayo if magpa-part 2 po tayo sa video trading. Please like and share and subscribe.